Good morning, students. This English language assignment is for class 10. In this video, I will tell you how to write the meanings of given vocabulary words in A part of test paper 3. And then we'll discuss the C part of test paper 3, which is known as Prezi writing. So let's see part 1 of test paper 3 and question number 4. So the first part is give the meaning of each of the following words as used in the passage. Your first vocabulary word is tramping. So tramping is a present participle. So the first hint here is you have to see if the given vocabulary word is a present participle, then your answer should begin with a participle, present participle only. If it is taking past or if it is a past participle, then your answer should begin with a past participle. So tramp is the base form and it is taking ing with it, so it becomes present participle. So that is why it's important that your answer should have ing form. And you are not going to write the meanings of the given vocabulary words in general. You are going to see how they have been used in the given comprehension passage. And accordingly you are going to write their answers. So tramping means walking with long, heavy steps due to exertion, which is tiredness. Your second vocabulary word is cackling. So cackle is the base form. It is again taking ing with it. So it is again a present participle. So that is why your answer is also beginning with a present participle. So your answer should have this ing form. So that is why I have written the answer: flying, producing harsh, loud noise or clucking sound. So now we'll take up the third vocabulary word, which is flutter. So flutter is a V1, or this is the base form of the verb. So for flutter, which is V1, your answer should be to fly unsteadily, flapping the wings quickly and lightly. So now you're going to write your answers the way you have been told. So now we'll take up C part of test paper 3. In not more than 50 words, state the humorous situations in the passage which make it an enjoyable reading. So dear children, first of all, you have to precisely write 50 words and then you are only going to write the humorous situations in which the two characters which are discussed are found. And you are not going to write any irrelevant content in this part of the answer, because if you do so, you will be exceeding the given 50 words, and after 50 or 53 words, your content will not be acceptable. That will not be counted. So now I will show you what should be the answer for this part. First of all, you have to make 5 columns this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write the counter at the top of the columns so that you are clear that you are writing only one word in a box. And to this side of the page, you are only writing 5 words. And to this side of the page also, you can write the counter. It should have 10 lines. So 10 lines in this direction and 5 words in this direction If you multiply, then the count up is 50. And first of all, you should make a rough sketch and you should see, are you able to write your answer precisely in 50 words? In case you are exceeding, you can cross out the irrelevant part of the answer and you can rewrite it. So your answer should have Cozy tries to climb up to the window and falls down, which seems humorous. Then 2 hens fly out of the window, cackling harshly down the village street. Then third humorous situation was Cozy's stupidity in identifying his own house, as well as his plea to get out of the house to avoid the charge of stealing seems humorous and enjoyable. So, as you are told to use only 50 words, so you can take 2-3 points. And here, try not to write anything irrelevant. So, I think now you are clear with A and C part of test paper 3. And now onwards, you are going to strictly follow the format of Prezi writing. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.